Hi, and I'm Brad Wilson with King Electrical Manufacturing, and today we are going to discuss our KCF SafeTouch line of low surface temperature heaters tailored to meet the distinct requirements of assisted living and daycare facilities with high-risk occupants. Prioritizing the protection of high-risk patients in assisted living facilities like daycare centers and memory care centers is essential for their well-being and quality of life. This requires a comprehensive approach that addresses physical, environmental, and emotional needs while upholding the ethical standards and your legal obligations. In many states, regulators have either implemented code requirements or released recommended guidelines limiting the surface temperatures allowed on wall heaters installed in those facilities. For example, according to Oregon's Administrative Rule 411, that covers grates or screens of wall heaters and associated heating elements may not exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit. When they are installed in locations that are subject to incidental contact by individuals or any combustible materials. The introduction of King's SafeTouch series of heaters addresses these regulatory requirements. These heaters are specifically designed not to exceed 120 degrees Fahrenheit surface temperature. By replacing older high wattage baseboards or fan-driven heaters with these SafeTouch heaters, facilities can mitigate potential risks associated with the traditional heaters that may reach much higher temperatures. Model KCF SafeTouch is a large cabinet heater featuring our ceramic core heating elements that uses a fan to assist in pushing the air up and out of the heater and push it into the space. Cabinet heaters are mounted on the floor level along an outside wall and or under windows, allowing heated air to rise from the top of the unit and block the cold air draft that's coming down. The KCF SafeTouch heaters are available in up to 2000 watt and the voltages of 208, 240, 277, and 480 volt single or three phase. Add an optional inbuilt thermostat or upgrade to the RT24 option, which converts the control voltage to 24 volt, so the unit can be controlled by a remote 24 volt thermostat or a building management system. Also available is an optional 3-position heat fan off switch for more precise control of the heater. A recessed mount can is also available, allowing the unit to be recessed into the wall cavity, freeing up valuable space in the room or the hallway. But how safe is SafeTouch? The low surface temperatures of SafeTouch heater is achieved through the use of low-density style heating elements. The term low density refers to the design of the heating element, specifically the spacing of the resistance wire within the element. In a low-density heater, the resistive wire is wound or spaced in such a way that it covers a larger space of the heating element, resulting in a lower watts per square inch. Compared to a high-density heater, this design allows for a gentler and more even distribution of heat, reducing the risk of overheating and extending the lifespan of the heating element too. Now, isn't that smart? And don't forget, King heaters like the SafeTouch heater are proudly made right here in Seattle, Washington. Thanks for watching, and you know what? Hit that subscribe button.